I think we met in 1960 when I was already active in Young Democrats.
Right.
And
I just got active in Young Republicans that year.
and we were nice to each other.
And we still are.
You made it. Good to see you.
I think we were the first freshman class that was really Colorado State University, because the year before it was still Colorado A&M. We had a group of people, you know, that we were political science and history majors, and we had similar interests, and we liked to party.
Fort Collins was dry,
Oh, that's right. You couldn't get a drink in Fort Collins.
and the beer was $1 for a pitcher.
Yeah, that's right. It was a different time. When I was traveling around as a senior, going to visit college campuses, I went to Boulder and CU, and they were not that friendly. And that's why I went to CSU.
Right, because it was warm and friendly. You know, people, if they have 180 degrees difference in their opinions and so forth, you can have an information discussion and share ideas and share thoughts and try and understand what the other person's position is.
And I think that's what we also learned in college, was that because of our relationship and our friendships, you know, with both parties, you didn't just ignore the other party. I felt so privileged just to be there and listen to them, and that's what you could do at CSU. Meet people from all over the world, you know, that had different experiences, and you could sit and talk with them. You know, so I found that fascinating, as well as speaking and getting to know people that had different political views than I did.